Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We're doing a driving tutorial here on these LCD screens, the replacements that you can buy from Amazon, and a review whether they calibrate correctly, because you know it's electronic and it can't be calibrated wrong, and then whether they're worth the buy and the price. I was able to get this on Amazon. I got it when, because prices on Amazon fluctuate every day, just like the stock market. And I was able to get this for shipping and handling and everything. I got it for $90 and like 14 cents. And yeah, so far, like I said, checking, everything moves correctly. And we're gonna drive here. Sorry, I was checking on the gears and the lights in the screen to see if they're moving. And this thing's a little EcoBoost, man. This thing, it hauls butt. I mean, this is a badass, excuse my language. Fuck it. Might as well say some words now. This is one bad little motor. It's a little 4-cylinder EcoBoost. Tell you what, I'm no Ford engineer, and I'm definitely not an engineer, but now I understand why Ford went with that EcoBoost that they put in the Ford GT, because even though that one's the V6, if it's anything like this one, I mean, that's got to be one wicked mean machine. Now, personally, do I think they need to up it to like an EcoBoost V8 or something so they can compete with Ferrari? Well, sure. But that's a different topic. Let's get back to this LCD screen. Like I said, I got it for $90.14, and I got it, with 2 days shipping. I ordered it on a Friday, got it on Sunday on my front porch. It fit. It was, it come with instructions. I didn't need them. Like I said, I showed you on the other video. I already knew exactly how to do this thing. I'm a mechanic. I've worked for Ford. For a Ford dealer, not for their plants, but I know exactly how these things are put together. But my biggest concern was being it obviously come from Amazon. It come from overseas and some other country, which is most likely where the original ones from Ford come from. But I just wanted to check the quality of it, being it wasn't the OEM original one. With all the functions on it worked. If it was a different color, if it had glitches, if the mileage didn't come back on the screen correctly, and the distance to being out of gas and things like that, if all the functions on it worked, and everything appears to be working just fine on it. So hopefully y'all find this little tutorial on these LCD screens. Are they worth buying, and are they worth the price getting them from a third party versus going to Ford? Well, I absolutely think so. So y'all go ahead, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and y'all have a great day.